physicist think
I know, right?
Wait a minute, I'm the marshal.
Oh, well, you didn't say that. I just thought you were her boyfriend.
No, I'm the marshal. I'm totally impartial, marshal. I was going to say, you want me to go tell Randy to shut up and these guys to keep it down so we can concentrate and play a little golf? Oh,
That
don't
stuff
forget your
doesn't
disc.
bother me.
I got it.
It's just Nancy on the back of the tree door.
Oh, yeah. Randy and I.
I threw right into the tree. She knew.
That tree?
Oh!
Oh!
Really bounds, though.
Oh, she threw a rock just to play safe, too.
I honestly didn't either. I thought I had actually given it away.
Mm-hmm.
All right, Miss Nancy, clean this shit up.
I hope to.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate that.
I'm going to make a putt. The 3 discs that intimidated her.
Had to have been it.